Want to make videos that actually get noticed without a studio, pricey equipment, or spending thousands of hours editing? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how that's possible with BigVU. Make sure you stick around for the rest of the video so you can see just how powerful BigVU really is. Alright folks, as you can see, I'm logged into BigVU right now. This is what the dashboard looks like when you open it up. It's pretty well put together. So as you can see, you've got all this stuff on the left, your AI avatars, request videos, add members, social channels, media library, content bank, branding, pages, and emails. There's a teleprompter, crash courses, and even an AI twin avatar, which is pretty awesome. So right here, you can say you've got options for a new script, subtitles, eye contact correction, background replacement, AI music, and auto short. Alright folks, so BigVU is an AI-powered video creation platform and it's trusted by over 12 million users. Yep, you heard me, Mike. So BigVU is spot on for people working in social media, like marketers, small businesses, content creation teams, corporate teams, and even some online coaches. So it's honestly made for anyone in the social media or online space. It'll literally take care of everything from your initial idea right through to the final post, and once you've published it, it handles the whole process. The great thing about using BigVU is that you can do it on any device. Whether it's a Mac, Windows, or your phone, you can use it on any device. Alright folks, so I'm going to kick things off with the teleprompter. I've used it heaps of times before, and the best part is, it's got an AI writer. You just click on the AI writer and it'll whip up a script for you from just a couple of words, which is honestly wild. Alright, so it'll scroll naturally for you. It works on both your phone and your desktop. So like I said earlier, it works across multiple devices. And another thing is, you won't have to worry about forgetting your lines anymore. The teleprompter puts everything right in front of you, so you'll save yourself from doing heaps of retakes. Another awesome thing about the teleprompter is you can add live video and beauty filters, so you look more polished without any extra effort. Alright, so if we head back to the main dashboard, you'll see they've got some pretty advanced features. They've got an eye contact fix, or AI eye contact. Basically, what that means is the AI will automatically correct your gaze, so it looks like you're staring straight at the viewer. So even if your eyes wander a bit, the AI will sort it out, making it look like you're looking right at your audience. And then there's text to video and AI avatars as well. You can literally make a digital version of yourself. As you can see here, there's the AI twin avatar. You can make an AI avatar of yourself, and you can even upload videos when you're off camera thanks to that feature. So those are the advanced features, and honestly, it's a game changer for the social media and marketing world. Hey guys, another thing worth mentioning is that they've got AI editing and auto captions. So as you can see, subtitles or auto captions, you can do all of that on BigVU. You can literally add music, do split screen, remove logos, add logos, and do heaps of video editing with BigVU. And in most cases, you can even add B-roll to your video, which is actually unreal. Alright guys, they've also got video messaging, where you can literally turn videos into landing pages for emails or DMS, and it's integrated with some of the biggest platforms, like Gmail and Outlook. So as you can see right here, video email, which is pretty bloody cool. They've got a social media scheduler, so you can auto-schedule posts across heaps of different platforms, so you don't have to sit there and upload the videos yourself. You can upload to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and heaps more, and it's all sorted with auto-scheduling. So that's BigVU for you guys, and I would highly recommend it. Download BigVU using your referral link to start making videos that really stand out. Tag BigVU on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. If you've got any questions about today's video, just let us know in the comments down below. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video we upload. Until next time, cheers.